Hello dear students, welcome to the class. In this session, we are going to discuss the conjugate of a complex number. Here is the definition. The complex numbers a plus ib and a minus ib are called conjugate complex numbers to each other. Here, a plus ib is conjugate to a minus ib and a minus ib is conjugate to a plus ib. If z is a complex number and its conjugate is denoted by z bar. Here you can see graphical representation of a conjugate of a complex number. For example, the complex number z is equals to a plus ib lies in first quadrant and its conjugate lies in fourth quadrant, that is z bar is equals to a minus ib. For example, the point z, the complex number z lies in second quadrant and its conjugate lies in third quadrant. Clear? Let us see some examples. The conjugate of 2 plus 5y is 2 minus 5y. The conjugate of negative 2 minus 5y is negative 2 plus 5y. So from these two examples, you can see that the sign is only changed for imaginary part of the complex number. The conjugate of 4 is 4. The conjugate of negative 4 is negative 4. The conjugate of 0 is 0. From the examples, we can see some observations. Let us see those. Pair of complex numbers z1 and z2 is said to be conjugate to each other if z1 bar is equals to z2 and z2 bar is equals to z1, which means conjugate of z1 is equals to z2 and conjugate of z2 is equals to z1. Then we say z1 and z2 are conjugate to each other. The sum and product of two conjugate complex numbers are always real numbers. So you can check with by taking a complex number and its conjugate, their sum is always a real number as well as their product also always a real number. The difference of two conjugate complex numbers is purely imaginary or 0. So this is also you can check by taking any two complex numbers. The conjugate of purely real complex number is same, or you can say itself. You can see from these examples. So the conjugate of 4 is 4, the conjugate of negative 4 is negative 4 and the conjugate of 0 is 0. Now let us solve some examples on conjugate of a complex number. Here is the first example. Find the complex conjugate of the following. In this first question, 3 plus I upon 2 plus 3i. Here two complex numbers are dividing. So to find conjugate of this complex number, first we have to convert the given expression into its general form, that is a plus ib form. So for that we have to rationalize the given division. So let us assume this is z is equals to 3 plus I upon 2 plus 3i. So rationalize with 2 minus 3i. Therefore z is equals to 3 plus I upon 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i upon 2 minus 3i. So on multiplying numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator, so first we will multiply numerator by using product rule. We know that two complex numbers a plus ib into c plus id, their product is equals to ac minus bd plus I of AD plus BC. So we will apply this product rule. Here 2 3s are 6 minus 1 into negative 3 negative or negative positive 3 plus I of AD 3 into negative 3 negative 9 plus BC 1 into 2 2 upon denominator. It looks like a plus b into a minus b. So we will apply identity a square minus b square. 2 square is 4 minus 3i square. We know I square is negative 1, negative of negative positive plus 3 square, that is 9, and this becomes 9 minus 2i upon 13. This is z, which is nothing but 9 upon 13 minus I into 2 upon 13. Therefore conjugate of z is equals to z bar. Therefore z bar is equals to 9 upon 13. We have to change the sign of imaginary part. So negative of negative, positive, I 2 upon 13. This is our required conjugate of the given complex number. Now we will find conjugate of these complex numbers. Here two complex numbers are multiplying. So again we will apply product rule. Z is equals to 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12 plus I of 3 into negative 3 negative 9, 4 2s are 8. This is equals to 18 minus I. This is Z. Therefore conjugate of Z is equals to Z bar, that is 18 plus I. Clear? It is our next question. If Z is equals to 5 plus 3 square root 2I, then find Z into Z bar, that is Z into conjugate of Z. So we have Z, then conjugate of Z is equals to 5 minus 3 square root 2I. Therefore Z into Z bar is equals to 5 plus 3 square root 2I into 5 minus 3 square root 2I. So by using product rule, that is AC minus BD plus I of AD plus BC. So we'll apply this, then this becomes AC 5 square 25 minus BD, positive into negative, negative, negative of negative, positive, 3 3s are 9, square root 2 into square root 2, 2, 9 2s are 18 plus I of AD, that is these two, positive into negative, negative, 5 3s are 15 square root 2 plus BC, these two, 5 3s are 15 square root 2. So further here positive negative gets cancelled, then we left with 25 plus 18, that is 43. Therefore the product of Z and conjugate of Z is 43. Here is our next question. If Z1 is equals to 3 plus 2I and Z2 is equals to 2 minus I, then verify that conjugate of Z1 plus Z2 is equals to conjugate of Z1 plus conjugate of Z2. So let's verify. So first we'll find LHS part, that is Z1 plus Z2 whole conjugate. So Z1 plus Z2, that is 3 plus 2I plus 2 minus I whole conjugate, which is 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 minus I conjugate. This becomes 5 minus I. Let us take this is equation number 1. We will find RHS part, that is conjugate of Z1 plus conjugate of Z2. So conjugate of Z1 is 3 minus 2I plus conjugate of Z2 is 2 plus I. So on adding 5 minus I, let us take this is number 2. So from 1 and 2, so we got 1 is equals to 2. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Therefore conjugate of Z1 plus Z2 is equals to conjugate of Z1 plus conjugate of Z2 for all complex numbers. Here is our next question. If Z1 is equals to 3 plus 2I and Z2 is equals to 2 minus I, so we have taken same complex numbers, then verify that conjugate of Z1 into Z2 is equals to conjugate of Z1 into conjugate of Z2. So let's verify. So first we'll take LHS part, that is Z1 Z2 whole conjugate. This is equals to 3 plus 2I into 2 minus I whole conjugate. So we'll multiply by using product rule, that is 3 2s are 6, minus of minus plus 2 1s are 2 plus I of AD minus 3 plus 4 whole conjugate. This becomes 8 plus I whole conjugate, then this becomes 8 minus I. So let us take this is number 1. Now we will find RHS part, that is conjugate of Z1 into conjugate of Z2. So conjugate of Z1 is 3 minus 2I into conjugate of Z2 is 2 plus I. Again we will multiply by using product rule, that is 3 2s are 6 plus 2 plus I of 3 minus 4. This becomes 8 minus I. Let us take this number 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 we got 1 equals to 2, that is LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. So therefore for all complex numbers, conjugate of Z1 into Z2 is equals to conjugate of Z1 into conjugate of Z2. Here is the next question. If Z1 is equals to 3 plus 2I and Z2 is equals to 2 minus I, then verify that conjugate of Z1 upon Z2 is equals to conjugate of Z1 upon conjugate of Z2. So let us take LHS part, that is conjugate of Z1 upon Z2 is equals to Z1 is 3 plus 2I upon Z2 is 2 minus I whole conjugate. So here two complex numbers are dividing. So first we need to change them or convert them into its general form, then we will apply conjugate. So for that we have to rationalize the denominator, that is 3 plus 2I upon 2 minus I into 2 plus I upon 2 plus I conjugate. So we will multiply by using product rule, that is AC minus BD, 2 3s are 6 minus 2 1s are 2 plus I of AD, 3 1s are 3 plus BC 4 2 2s are 4 upon denominator looks like A minus B into A plus B. So we will apply identity A square minus B square, 2 square is 4, I square is negative 1, negative of negative positive 1, and this becomes 4 whole conjugate. So 4 plus 7I upon 5 whole conjugate. So this is equals to on applying conjugate 4 upon 5, so changing sign to imaginary part, 7 upon 5I. Let us take this number 1. Find RHS part, that is conjugate of Z1 upon conjugate of Z2. Conjugate of Z1 is 3 minus 2I and conjugate of Z2 is 2 plus I. So again we have to convert this into its general form. For that we have to rationalize. Therefore 3 minus 2I upon 2 plus I into 2 minus I upon 2 minus I. So on multiplying again by using product rule, numerator into numerator, 3 2s are 6 minus 2 1s are 2 plus I of AD, 3 into negative 1, negative 3, negative 2 into positive 2, negative 2 2s are 4 upon denominator looks like A plus B into A minus B. Again we will apply identity, 2 square 4 minus I square positive 1, and this becomes 4 minus 7I upon 5, which is nothing but 4 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5I. Let us take this number 2. Now from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2 LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. In earlier examples we have seen conjugate of complex numbers holds some properties. Here are some more properties of conjugate of complex numbers. Let Z, Z1, Z2 and so on Zn belongs to C, which means these all belongs to set of complex numbers. Then Z bar whole bar is equals to Z, which means conjugate of Z whole conjugate is equals to Z. Conjugate of negative z is equals to negative z. Conjugate of negative I is equals to I, and conjugate of I is equals to negative I. Conjugate of k into z. Here k is some constant which belongs to any real number. Then k into conjugate of z. Z is equals to conjugate of z if and only if z is purely real. Z plus z conjugate is equals to 0 if and only if z is purely imaginary. Z1 plus z2 whole conjugate is equals to conjugate of z1 plus conjugate of z2. Whole conjugate of z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus and so on zn is equals to conjugate of z1 plus conjugate of z2 plus conjugate of z3 plus and so on conjugate of zn. Conjugate of z1 minus z2 is equals to conjugate of z1 minus conjugate of z2. Conjugate of z1 into z2 is equals to conjugate of z1 into conjugate of z2. Whole conjugate of z1 into z2 into z3 into and so on zn is equals to conjugate of z1 into conjugate of z2 into and so on conjugate of zn. Whole conjugate of z1 upon z2 is equals to conjugate of z1 upon conjugate of z2. Whole conjugate of z1 plus z2 upon z3 into z4 is equals to conjugate of z1 plus conjugate of z2 upon conjugate of z3 into conjugate of z. If z is equals to a plus ib, then z plus conjugate of z is equals to 2a, that is 2 times of real part of z, and z minus conjugate of z is equals to 2b, that is 2 times of imaginary part, and z into conjugate of z is equals to a square plus b square. So these are the properties holds the conjugate of a complex numbers.